What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, like the thumbnail says, this guy right here. So this is what we've been going on today. We just left the shop about 30 minutes ago. We finally got the downpipes installed on it. Running into a little issue with the cable to get the BF Engineering Stage 2 tune done. The guys at BF Engineering were nice enough to swap out the cable. We just got the tune installed, and now I'm about to show you what this thing sounds like after the Stage 2 tune is done. It's just wait till you hear it. The mic picks up all the traffic. So there you have it. Hope you guys like it. If you like the video, go ahead, hit that like button and subscribe. There's plenty of more things to come on this car. We're thinking of a Liberty Walk. What else we got? Heck, probably another exhaust.
Turbos?
There you go. Bigger turbos on this thing. A bunch of more stuff to come. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.